Just now, we have used the correlation analysis to explore the relationship between quantitative variables. Now, let's look at the relationship between the qualitative variables and the quantitative one. In this research group, they have quite a few variables are measured in categories, such as the nationality, ethnic background, employment status, and whether people are aware of environmental problems, etc. Okay, and in year 2 statistics, you will learn more scientific way how to analyze the difference and the relationship for this case. But currently, we only need to visualize and find out the frequency of that. Let's go to insert. Instead of clicking pivot table, let's look into pivot chart. Visualization can quickly help us to find out the potential customers for our sustainable product. So I first choose all the data by clicking Control A, and then I choose pivot chart. Now, and then I will put it into a new worksheet. So by default, it has been selected. I click OK. This is the place where the pivot chart will be shown. So if I click gender, we already know there are 3 options after I clean the data. And then I look into the newly established variable purchase intention. By default, it has been shown the sum of a purchase intention, which is not meaningful in this case. And I go to the value option and click value field settings. Then I'm going to choose the average. For 5-point Likert scale, 3 is the neutral, and the more close to 5, more people are willing to buy it. More close to 1, people are less willing to buy it. Okay, and in the current case, we can see that the female and the male both show a bit above the neutral attitude. They are a bit more willing to buy this product, but it's not very significant, let's say very obvious. Yeah, and in the pivot table, I can round the numbers into 2 decimals. That will make it more meaningful. Okay, and the purchase intention of the males is just slightly higher than that of the females. And I can also keep purchase intention here, but change to the age group. I know that from this research, they focus a lot on the young people. So the information from this age group above 35 is not very representative because the number of respondents are quite few. So let's look at the willingness to buy this sustainable product from the young generation, 18 up to 24 and 25 up to 34. Sorry, under 18 and 18 up to 24. So that is these 2 bars. These 2 groups are the major focus of this research. And we find that for people between 18 and 24, they are slightly above neutral attitude, while for the under 18, it's slightly lower. Yeah, so if I highlight it here, I use a different color to show it. This is the 2 focus group in this research. You can see that this group is a little bit more positive than under 18. So under 18 shows a bit unwillingness to buy this sustainable product. Okay, I can feel free to choose the other groups. Yeah? For example, what is your current employment status, the ethnic background, and the power generator. Do you need a power generator? Yeah, so you see that this one, the group say yes. This group shows higher degree of purchase intention than the group said no. Using such kind of a pivot chart, I can quickly find out what are the group characteristics that shows more interest to buy this sustainable product.